Alright, I'm back again. Well, I keep having to turn the camera off or else it'll start making duplicate files when I go to do these videos. I don't know why it does that, but for some reason I gotta make sure, you know, I'll put these in a playlist um, to make it easy. I don't really like having to edit the videos because when I edit the videos, it's like it takes so much time off of what I'm doing. I'm just so used to uploading. I'm so used to uploading, making different things, and just stuff like that. And this one, you need to come out. Don't want to. See, that's a problem. That one doesn't want to come out either. I don't know why. Well, it needs to come out. I'm looking for the. That's what I'm looking for. And one of these, I'm looking for these. Okay. Nope, flathead not gonna work. Wrong one. Let's try this. See, that's the problem when when you go to take these screws out, they're so in there. Like I guess after a while, the manufacturer just decides to have them. I don't know what they do with them. See, that one doesn't want to come out. I got two of them that don't want to come out now. All right, let's try this again. Try. See, that's the problem I'm having. This don't want to come out, and then that one don't want to come out. So what am I supposed to do with these? I mean, I can't pull the back off, the thing off. It's not going to let me unless I try and see. I don't know. These screws are stripped. I don't like that. The fact that you got to do this and then that one up there, the screws are stripped. I'm not kidding either. It's a little stripped. That one and that one a little bit. Yeah. The rest of them are fine. Let me show you one. The rest of them are fine, so like this one. This one's fine. I got even the flash on for this. Okay, I don't need that on. I don't lose it. See, this one's fine. See, I know my camera's not going into focus because it's not used to. There we go. Yeah, that one's fine, as you can see. Hold on. Let me try zooming in. Maybe that'll work. See, that's fine. See, I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. I apologize, but I'm trying to get it to, even though I got the flash on, so I don't know if that'll help. Let me try this. I don't know if that'll work either. turn the light and turn the light off. And did that help anything? Not really. I don't know what's going on with it. But you get the idea. But I'm going to get this fixed and hope for a new battery for it.